my channel. I'm Morgan Monet. As you read below, this video is all about my Sephora haul. I've been really excited to record this video for you guys. Not to mention, I've been waiting for these products to be delivered for days. And it's felt like months, but I don't know. I have a problem with being patient, but I can't wait to show you guys these goodies. If you're new here and this is your first time watching any of my videos, hit the red button below and subscribe. I love luxury accessories, makeup, and skincare. So if those three topics appeal to you, this is the channel for you. Also, hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. But let's get into this video, you guys, because I'm super excited and I can't wait to show you guys what I got. Now, I know what you're thinking. Yes, you want to see my unboxing, but I did. I changed my hair, or actually I just took off my wig and just decided to rock my natural hair. So I'm gonna switch it up for these next couple of videos. So I don't know what's been going on with Sephora recently. I really do think it's because of COVID, but my packages were delivered in 2 different boxes. So we're gonna undo the first box and then we'll do the second box, which I have below. What's weird is that my first time I got these items, the box, like the physical box, had my right name and correct address, but the contents were for this girl who was in Minnesota. So don't know how that happened, but it was weird, and it made me getting my products that much longer. If you guys have actually had that problem before with Sephora, comment down below. I really do think it's because of COVID, but hey, I could be wrong. But let's get into this haul. So in my first box, this is just, anytime you order from Sephora, they do like this packing slip label. But the first item is C.E.O. by Sunday Riley. It's a vitamin C brightening serum, and I love this stuff, you guys. It has been a game changer in helping me with my dark spots. So this is what the bottle looks like. I got the larger of the 2 sizes, but it's 1 fluid ounce. Also, we have PRADA candy. I love this perfume. So this is the PRADA candy in the floral scent, and it's gorgeous. First of all, I love the packaging, and I'm gonna try to open it for you guys on camera. It has the plastic, but let's take this out. I love the bottle too. Look at this, guys. Isn't it beautiful? And it smells so good. Oh my God, the top just came off. Woo, okay. I was able to put the top back on. Spray it. I love the way this smells. I have loved this perfume since undergrad. I'm talking 2014, 2015, and it continues to be one of my favorites. Perfect, floral, sophisticated scent that I feel like every time I wear it and I walk into a room, like, I'm immediately noticed just because it smells so damn good. Also in the whole skincare brightening serum, we have JOSIE MARAN, and this is her Argan brightening serum as well. Combining these 2 products on my skin, it's the only thing that's helped with my dark spot corrector, with my dark spots, and been a corrector. So this is the actual bottle. It's 1 fluid ounce. And actually it's 0.85, so it's not even a full fluid ounce, but this is amazing on your skin. If you're afraid of oil, this may not be the best product for you, just because it is a little bit more oily. If you want something that's more kind of like a lotion, then I would definitely suggest the C.E.O. Just because this is more of like an oil type of feel and consistency. Also from Sunday Riley, I got UFO. So this is my first time purchasing this guy, and it's an acne treatment oil, and you're supposed to use it similar to a toner. I don't know how it's going to react on my skin, but I thought, why not give it a try? It has 1.5 salicylic acid in it, And so I really do think it will be really great for my skin. And actually on the box, it calls out for oily to acne prone skin, for the treatment and prevention of acne and blackheads, which I do have. This 1.5% salicylic acid medicated dry oil clears congested pores for smoother blemish-free skin. So, oh my goodness, super excited to use this. If it works, I'll definitely tell you guys. But if any of you guys have used this before, leave a comment below and just give me like a heads up. Did it really work for you? Did it not work for you? Did you see a difference? How long did it take you to see a difference? I want to know all the deets. So, can't wait to use this guy. And that's everything out of the first box. Going into the second box. Ooh. So this is one of the samples that I picked up. It's a Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. And, oh, it's like just a little package of them. This is cute. Okay, Huda Beauty. So, I love to try out new lip products, lip things. Also, oh my goodness, I've been super excited about this. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. And this has been trending all over Instagram. And oh my goodness, look at this bottle. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is 3.3 fluid ounces, and they actually tell you to like shake the bottle before applying it, and then to use either a flat pad or a cotton ball to push it into your skin. But so excited. But it's a serum hydration, and they say that it like deeply hydrates your pores. So if you have an allergic reaction to rose type products, this is not for you. Like, this definitely is not for you. This will break you out. Let's see. Another little sample. This is from Primera, and it's an Alpine berry water cream, like just little packets. So I love how Sephora gives you like little samples of product for you to try out. And then of course I was running out. If you saw my last makeup tutorial, I'll link it up above. I love Laura Mercier, their translucent setting powder, and I was running out, so it was time to just get a new one. And if you're wondering, I am the shade translucent. The deep shade is too dark for my skin tone. And then also we have Tarte Rainforest of the Sea foundation, and I am actually the shade 42S. And like little secret tip, I use this as a concealer. So although it's a foundation, it's perfect for my under eye concealing, and I actually used it today. But I had a little sample, and I felt like I loved it so much that it made sense to just buy the full bottle. But this guy also has amazing reviews online, but it's definitely a water foundation, and they have a wide range of shades for a lot of skin tones. And finally, oh, this is the wrong thing. This is actually the MURAD Anti-Aging Acne Time Release Acne Cleanser. This isn't what I normally get. I normally use just like the regular clarifying cleanser. So I'm not sure if like they sent me the wrong one or if I ordered the wrong one. Okay, so it was definitely me. I ordered the wrong cleanser. So this is the Time Release Acne Cleanser, and I normally use the clarifying cleanser. This only has 0.5% salicylic acid, and the one that I use has 1.5%. So I'll definitely be returning this to exchange for the correct product. And then the last few samples that I got I got something from Beauty Blender. This is a Smooth and Fill, it's foundation. So excited about that. And then this is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream Packet. So especially while we're home during this quarantine, this is the perfect time to practice with your makeup and also to help nourish and hydrate your skin, because for the most part, you really don't need to wear makeup. So this is like the perfect time to be trying out different skincare products and just testing to see what exactly works for you. All right, you guys. All right, so that's the end of this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you like luxury accessories, skincare, and makeup, this is definitely the channel for you. See you in my next video.